Leonardo AI has established itself as a leader in the creative AI space by focusing on professional-grade output, customization, and control. It offers a robust interface where users can fine-tune their prompts, styles, lighting, and composition. One of Leonardo's standout features in 2025 is its fine-tuned style models, allowing users to generate art that mimics very specific aesthetics, from hyper-realistic portraits to game-ready assets. Its Canvas tool also lets users refine or repaint portions of images, making it a go-to choice for concept artists, game developers, and illustrators who want more than just a one-click result. On the other hand, OpenArt AI continues to gain momentum thanks to its user-friendly interface and focus on accessibility. It offers a wide selection of styles and pre-built models, making it ideal for casual users, hobbyists, and designers looking for fast inspiration. OpenArt AI excels in speed and ease of use, with one-click style prompts and intuitive upscaling. In 2025, it's known for quick turnaround times and a massive online gallery that encourages remixing and sharing, making it a social hub for AI-generated content. Conclusion: if you're a serious artist or creative professional who needs high-end control, advanced tools, and consistent output, Leonardo AI is likely the better choice in 2025. However, if your goal is fast, fun, and social art generation with minimal friction, OpenArt AI provides an accessible and highly capable alternative. Ultimately, both platforms are powerful. Your ideal pick depends on whether you're creating for production or play.